Morning, students. Today we are going to study the first part of chapter number 3, Two Stories About Flying. And the name of the part is His First Flight, written by Liam O'Flaherty. So, students, we would like to have a short summary of this story. If we say the young seagull that was called to fly, the young seagull was alone on his ledge. His two brothers and his sister had already flown away. When he wanted to fly, he could not do so. He was very much afraid of flying. बहुत ही डरा हुआ डरने से. Therefore he failed to gather up the courage to fly. He was really very sad. His father and mother came near him. They called him to fly. They even rebuked him. They threatened that if he did not fly, he would die of hunger there. But he could not even move. That was 24 hours ago. Since then, no one had come near him. He had watched his parents, brothers, and sisters flying. His parents had been perfecting his brothers and sisters how to dive for fish on their own. They called him to fly, but he could not. Friends, we see here the sun was rising in the sky. He felt the heat because he had not eaten since the previous nightfall. The seagull closed his eyes standing on one leg. He had the other leg hidden under his wing. He pretended to sleep, but his parents did not look at him. However, his mother was looking at him. He saw her tear at a piece of fish at her feet. उसके आंसू के छोटे छोटे बूंद उसके मछली जो खाने के लिए पड़ी होती है उसके ऊपर गिरते रहते हैं. He gave out a sound to get it. His mother replied in a sound and looked at him. His mother picked a piece of fish. She flew across to him with it. He leaned out, tapping the rock with his feet. His mother flew across, trying to get nearer to him. The sight of food made him mad, as he was very hungry, but he could not get at it. But he tries to dive for the food. The seagull waited a moment in surprise. He wondered why his mother did not come nearer. He was so mad with hunger that he dived at the fish. He fell outwards with a scream and downwards into space. Actually, he was falling down. His mother had swooped upwards. As he passed beneath her, he heard a swish of her wings. It is the first begins. Then a great fear caught him. His heart stood still. He could hear nothing, but it only lasted a moment. The next moment he felt his wings spread outwards. He felt the wing rust against his breast feathers. Then it rushed under his stomach and against his wings. He was not falling headlong now. He was soaring slowly downwards and upwards. Students, now let's see how does he enjoy. The seagull gave out a joyous scream. He soared higher, calling ga ga ga. His mother gave out gaologa. Then his father flew over him screaming. Then he saw his brothers and sisters flying around him. They were roaring and diving. Then he completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly. He commended himself to dive and soar. He was near the sea now, flying straight over it. He saw a vast green sea beneath him. His parents and his brothers and sister had landed on this green surface of water ahead of him. They were calling him to do the same thing. He dropped his legs to stand on the green sea, but his legs sank into it. He cried with fear. He tried to rise again, flapping his wings. but he was tired and weak with hunger. He could not rise. His feet sank into the green sea. His belly touched it. He sank no further. He was floating on it. Around him was his family, crying and praising him. They were offering him scraps of dogfish. He had made his first flight successfully. Students, we have seen here how does a seagull tried actually when he fell down from the ledge of the stone that was just outwards of the sea. Then he was trying to escape himself and trying to fly. Just he fell down on the surface of the sea, but he was trying to fly. He was trying to escape himself. So, and he just, students, we can say a person can make an attempt to save himself, to protect himself, and to learn something for that one. So students, I think with a short explanation you have understood the story. Now let's have, स्टूडेंट्स, अगर इस स्टोरी की बात करें तो स्टोरी एक सीगल समुद्री पक्षी के बारे में है जो उड़ने का प्रयास करती है। स्टूडेंट, इस स्टोरी में बताया गया है कि उसके 2 भाई और एक बहन पहले ही उड़ना सीख चुके हैं और उनके माता पिता उन्हें कुछ और एक्स्ट्रा करने की ट्रेनिंग दे रहे होते हैं। लेकिन सीगल, ये जो छोटी पक्षी जो अपनी फैमिली मेम्बर की है, सबसे छोटी मेंबर जो अपनी फैमिली की है, वो उड़ने का प्रयास करती है, लेकिन डर के कारण वो उड़ने का साहस जुटा नहीं पाती है। उसके माता पिता उसे बार बार बाध्य करते हैं उड़ने के लिए, लेकिन फिर भी वो इतनी डरी होती है कि अपनी फर्स्ट फ्लाइट के लिए वो प्रिपेयर नहीं रह पाती। अचानक गुस्से में आकर उसे माता पिता उसे छोड़ देते हैं ताकि वो एक साहस जुटा सके उड़ने के लिए। उसे कुछ खाने का टुकड़ा देते हैं और अपने बाकी बच्चों के साथ भोजन की तलाश में समुद्र की ओर उड़ते चले जाते हैं। अपने भाइयों और बहनों की उड़ान को देख करके इस छोटे सीगल के मन में भी उड़ने की इच्छा होती है, परंतु वो डर के कारण उड़ नहीं पाते। एक दिन के लिए पूरे उसके माँ बाप उसे छोड़कर चलने लगते हैं और उसे बताते हैं, ये थ्रीट करते हैं कि अगर तुम उड़ना नहीं सीखोगे तो तुम्हें खाना नहीं मिलेगा। इसलिए माँ बाप पहले से उड़कर चले जाते हैं और अपने बच्चों को ट्रेनिंग देते रहते हैं। पिछली रात से ही सीगल को खाना नहीं मिलता है और वो भूख से बेचैन हो जाता है। अगले दिन सुबह के समय भी यही हाल रहता है। उसके भाई और बहन उड़ने की कोशिश करते रहते हैं और तरह तरह के करतब दिखाते हैं, लेकिन अभी छोटे सीगल के मन में उड़ने का भी खौफ बना हुआ है। वो भूख से तड़प रहा होता है और माँ माँ चिल्लाता रहता है, लेकिन उसके माँ बाप उसे प्रेरित करते हैं उड़ने के लिए। और ऐसा समय आता है कि वो उड़ने का प्रयास करके अपने आप को इस तरह से तैयार कर लेती है कि एक छलांग मारते ही वो समुद्र के नीचे आने का प्रयास करती है। वो समुद्र के पानी में गिर जाती है, परंतु एक मछली जो समुद्र में तैर रही होती है वो उसके ऊपर जाके गिरती है और उसी मछली के सहारे उड़ने का प्रयास करती है और अपनी पहली उड़ान भर लेती है, जैसे जैसे उसकी माँ उसकी हौसला अफजाई करती है। So students, in case of homework, I would like to ask some questions like first, why was the young seagull afraid to fly? Question number 2, why did the seagull's father and mother threaten him to fly? And last question is, have you ever had a similar experience where your parents encouraged you to do something that you were too scared to try? Hope you can attend better. See you next video.